Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a video where inside this box we have some of the sketchiest things I could find on Amazon. And as we're going through them, I'm going to go through the Amazon pages and all the reviews or lack thereof. So let's hop right into it. Let's start with something, you know, a little. It's got some reviews on the page, but it seems a bit odd. The the Ermi sunset lamp, atmosphere lamp, colorful sunset lamp, light up your life. I'm so excited to get a lamp to light up my life. Ooh. Ugh. So noodly. Well, it's a lot stiffer than I thought it was. This base, this is craft foam. Just straight up craft foam, and it's hollow right there to the point where I can almost punch through. Alright, we have increased brightness button, a no function button, a decrease brightness button on and off. Oh. Oof. Oh my gosh. No, okay. It can support it. Nah, no, it can't. Okay, our on-off switch is glowing blue. So let's just hold it up here so we can see. Let's put it nice and close so we can. I mean, it basically gradates from the very, very small center very quickly into the orange, and then that's kind of it. And then you have that weird sort of rainbowish band right there, and that's the whole lamp. So we have the nothing button, which does as advertised. Oh yeah, let's see where that's going. Is that harsh enough? How am I looking, guys? Oh yeah. All right, up next we have robot vacuum. That is the entire Amazon listing name. 2 words. This is so small. Look at that. Remember, these things are like double the size. Oh my. Oh. That's not good. That's not good at all. What? Oh my gosh. It is so light, by the way. This thing is nothing. It weighs like less than a phone. The charging cable, the little duster thing, as well as stick on Velcro. Is it for this? Okay, usage method. Press the switch to turn on the machine. Turn on the machiner. Take out the towel and moisten it. Stick the towel on the Velcro. Charging port is located on the side. Okay. So it is meant to mop. Did it say that on the product page? Ooh. Ooh. Get a load of this. Look at that grime. Yeah, that hole? That is where things are going to be sucked up. Hopefully it has some charge. Bruh. Huh? Oh! You serious? That's how it moves. Oh my gosh. Will it fall off? It will. Well, what if you do it over here? Okay. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to go get some crumbs. I will return. I have returned with the clubhouse crackers. Let's make a mess. Okay. Come on, though, buddy. Oh gosh. There's not a single crumb in here. For robot vacuum, there are there's a couple reviews, right? And they seem mostly positive and like, oh, that's good. They are for a phone case. Those are not reviews for this product. I think this was $130. There was no sense of scale. I had no idea it was this small or this cheap or any of that, really. Was this sketchy? Yes. Is this a scam? Absolutely. On to the next item. Here we have the Remall USB microphone for PC and laptop. This one seemed the least sketch out of all of them. My only reason for saying it might be is the fact this is a $10 microphone. $10. Your perfect connection right there. There is not a single thing they could do to make that connection better. Let me just unplug my microphone and swap over to the Remall. Okay, the Remall is plugged in. I haven't changed any of the filters, so all of that should be helping. But if we take a look right here, it's quite sensitive, but it's not like picking up noise, which I hope with my filtering stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and turn all of it off, and then we can see how the $10 mic sounds. Judging from the meter, we're not looking too hot as far as background and static. I'm not gonna have any idea what this sounds like until after the fact. So until then, the build quality is a lot nicer with this sort of soft touch rubber. The yellow, is that just like a rubber band? No way. You can just pull it off. So apparently there's some customizability. If you have a similar elastic band, you can customize your Remall. I'm gonna get off this so that you guys' ears don't bleed. For the final item, I am genuinely excited to look at these. The charging case has a screen, like an actual display screen, not, you know, something that can show the time or your battery percentage or anything like that. On the Amazon page, it says you can upload whatever you want to display on these earbuds. That is so cool. What am I gonna have to pay for this? What is $140? I think it was. Beauty and functionality don't come cheap. That's about how big it is. It's kind of chunky, but it's also just the fact that it's a circle. Let me look through here and see if there's anything of note. Let's see. It's describing the sound prompts. For turn on, the prompt is dong. The turn off is nothing. Device connected is also dong. Device disconnected is dong do. Then the left and right pairing is nothing, and then low battery is doo doo. So I'm glad they let us know what it sounded like. Light sensing function, ear detection. Wow, I did not think these also, I think, wirelessly charge. There's some grime left behind right there. Not terrible. Like if you put your thumb on the top, that's kind of okay. Somewhat like AirPods as far as the ear tip goes, and then the stem, you have silver, sort of sticks out. I'm back. I just spent a while downloading their Sketchy app off of the website, because when you go to Google Play, it says that there's nothing there, and took a while to get, because you have to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, then connect to the case via the app, Then you need to upload your image to the app, and then you need to let it connect for about, I don't know, 3 minutes to upload the image onto your case. And what you are left with is a corrupted picture of Scott the Waz. And then when you close it, it does give you an update on the charging status of the case as well as the earbuds individually, which is nice. Something about wireless charging, I could not get that to work. As far as actual audio quality on the earbuds, they're, well, first off, they fit like AirPods, right? So they don't have the seal of a bud. But other than that, it just, I don't know, it sounds like a pair of $20 earbuds, because I'm fairly certain that's what this is. Sketchy, yes. Cool, also yes. Well executed, no. Anyways, I think that's all I have to say about the sketchy Amazon tech. Let me know if any of them looked good or interesting to you, and especially if you would go out of your way to buy them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.